Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can properly set the correct cooling mode to your Sharp air conditioner remote control. Okay, to check it you need to press the mode button and see the mode changing display on the remote control. Okay, now just try to press it and now you will see this is the heating mode, so that means the air conditioner will produce the hot air inside and the cool air to the outside of your house. Okay, and if we press it once more time, you will see this logo. This is the cooling mode. So that means the air conditioner will give the cooling temperature inside the house. Okay, and if we press it once more time, you will see this is dry mode and this is only fan mode. Okay, and if you want the cooling only, just press the mode to this logo and adjust the temperature and adjust the fan speed as you want. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can set the correct cooling or heating mode to your Sharp air conditioner remote control. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.